up, guys? The Mask Game back in with another video, and okay, let's get real. Alright, we have some bad news, guys. We lost the mask. That's right, the mask I usually come out with, my gimmick and everything. The mask is gone. The headphones snapped on me, so gotta go with this gimmick for a bit. Hopefully you guys don't mind. It's still me hopping this mask. But you know what? Guys? We got another entertaining video for you guys. So we got two. You guys didn't read the title. We obviously did, but we got two batteries here. That's right, we got two batteries here, right? And you guys probably know what we're gonna do with them. We got two batteries, two different kind of batteries, and the knife. You guys haven't guessed it, yes. You guys haven't guessed it yet. That's right. We are cutting it open. So the reason why I want to do this is I'm still full waste of battery. I know I'm gonna have to need these. So there's two reasons why I want to do this. For one, so one, different brands. Maybe different brands are made differently. Or two, this one is a dead battery, and this one is a full battery. It's charged and everything. And this one is dead. So we're gonna get onto the dead one first. So right into it. We're getting in there, right? Yeah, add just a little bit more. Yeah, it's in there. You guys can't see. What the heck? And that black powder is getting all over my knife and my finger. So we just open it now. Yeah, so what is this? Hold on. Just let me. Shoot. Damn, it's like this charcoal or coal or something, black powdery stuff. I'm just ripping it off. Over the garbage. Shoot. Dropped all over the floor and the clothes. Oh shit. Alright, so now I took the label off and everything. People probably won't even know what this is if I show it to them. Probably have no idea it's a battery. Does that look like a battery? Probably not. Now, let's get into the more full one. So, and stuck in a magnet. Alright, so shall we do this? Which we shall. Before I do anything, I should see what's inside my finger, shouldn't I? Ow! 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 I'm kidding, I'm not cutting my fingers. Let's get right into this battery. This one smells more harder to cut open. Hold on, let me just adjust the camera. What's happening? trying to hold it up so you guys can get a view of what's happening to it. Yeah, this is way more harder to cut open, guys. Try this. So you can just dig this in here. See, that does better. No. So this is just not going in, guys. It's like wet or something. Wait. Since you guys are all zoomed in, I can take off the mask. Oh, that's better. And the glasses. Alright. Now let's get into this. Wow. It's harder than I thought it would be. It's not like it's getting some kind of progress, but it's like not going in there. The other one. It's leaking or something. You guys know what? I'm gonna be. Oh, can't show you guys that. What's that, guys? 1 second. Alright. So, you guys, we couldn't cut open the battery, the other one. Sorry to guys to let you guys down. But I'm gonna drop it on before. Can't have one video without jumping back and forth. Can't really bend it open because barely in it cracked. Let me show you guys what I did there. Tried to get into it, but it can't really go anymore in. I'll tell you guys what. The next video, we're gonna smash it. Alright? And once it's smashed, then we're gonna cut it. And you guys will see what's inside it. I am determined to show you guys what is inside. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment for more videos. And also the giveaway. I am doing a giveaway, guys. I am giving alright, guys. I am giving away something special, guys. I'm giving away this. For all you Pokemon lovers, I am giving away this. This Pokemon, Gotta Catch 'Em All Kingler, #99. And it has like that Pokemon Kingler in the back of it. I'm giving away it. You can, I don't know, you can like attach it to your school bag zipper, or maybe attach it to a bigger chain, put it around your neck or something, I don't know. But I'm giving away, all you guys have to do is leave a comment of what I should smash in the next video. And I will be announcing the winner shortly. So, yeah, make sure to leave a like and comment to win it, and peace out.